As artificial intelligence technology continues to advance, the competition between big companies is heating up. The latest news comes from Microsoft, which has announced its new platform, Microsoft Designer, powered by AI technology. Now, let's explore how I was entirely designed in this platform, step by step. When we enter the platform's website, Microsoft Designer asks us to describe the design we would like to create. We can describe it and click the Try It button or use the Try Designer for Free button. Let's click on the Try Designer for Free button. A prompt will appear with the option to sign up or sign in. If you have a Microsoft 365, Xbox, or Windows account, this means that you already have a Microsoft account. Let's use our account to sign in. We have entered the design page. Now let's take a look at what we can do one by one. In the top left box, all we need to do is tell Microsoft Designer what kind of design we want. Below that, we can add an image from our own device or generate an image. Let's take a look at the information section. As we can see, Microsoft Designer uses the DALL-E 2.5 system to generate images. For those who don't know, DALL-E is an AI-powered visual design tool developed by OpenAI. Now it's time to tell Microsoft Designer what we want. Let's write a YouTube image about Microsoft Designer. Before we generate the design, let's also determine the image we want to use in the design. Instead of adding the image from our own device, we want to have the AI generate it for us. We enter the Generate Image section and write down what kind of image we want. Let's write like this: blonde woman, lens flare, 8K, and centered. After waiting for a bit, Microsoft Designer provides us with some suggestions with the support of DALL-E. Let's choose one of them and add it. As seen on the right, Microsoft Designer suggests some design drafts for us. We can change the size from the top. Let's choose the size suitable for our YouTube image. Now, let's select a draft that we like. We can change this later, so let's not hesitate and choose one that we like and click on the Customize Design button. Our draft design created with the help of artificial intelligence is ready. Now let's see what we can do on this page. There is a new Ideas section on the top right corner where we can change our design if we want to. Let's try a few different ideas and choose one of them. Now let's take a look at the tools on the left side of the screen. The first tool is the Themes section. We can search for a theme or choose one to use if we wish. However, we will skip choosing a theme in this video because we want to design our own image. The next tool below is My Media section. Here, as mentioned earlier, we can add media to our design from our devices, Google Drive, Dropbox, and Google Photos. It is also possible to access the visuals we created in our previous works. When we go to the Visuals section, we come across many options. We can use AI to create a new image, search for a photo, graphics, or video and add it to our design. Let's try searching for a photo and adding it to the background of our image. Let's type black background in the search bar and choose one we like from the options. We have now set the chosen image as the background of our design. Next, let's remove the background of the image in our design by selecting the image and clicking on the Remove Background option on the right side. With the background removed, let's now resize the image to make it a bit smaller. We can use filters to make our presenter look better. The best option from the filters on the left seems to be Warm. Let's choose Warm. Now let's close the window and take a look at the other tools. Next, we have text creation. Microsoft Designer also utilizes artificial intelligence to generate text. We can simply write what we want our design to say and Microsoft Designer will provide suggestions. However, since we are creating a YouTube image, we won't be using this feature. We can browse through ready-made templates to add text and choose the one we like. Let's add one to our image. We can modify the font style, size, and other features from the menu above. Let's search for the font style, Antonio, and apply it to the text. We found Antonio. Let's select it and type in the text we want to write. Let's align, resize, and color our text. Here is our completed design. In the top right corner, we can either create a new design or download the image we've created. Thanks to Microsoft Designer, we were able to easily create a beautiful image. What do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Now we can download our image. Microsoft Designer has successfully passed our test. This platform, which will be a serious competitor for Canva and Adobe in the future, stands out with its ease of use and is free of charge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Newspapering. This way, we can create better content for you.